Welcome back to Katie Quiz, brought to you by GBU Life. It is now time to speed things up in the Katie Quiz Speed Round. In this round, each team has 10 questions prepared for them. However, they only have 60 seconds to answer as many of those questions as they can. 10 points is awarded for a correct answer. There are no deductions for incorrect answers or passes in this round. All three teams are going to be competing in the same category, and that category today is starts with the letter L. All of their answers will begin with the letter L. Plum, you are up first, and your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. Toxic heavy metal found in many old paints that has the symbol PB.
Lead.
William Golding novel about British boys who are stranded on an island.
Lord of the Flies.
Electromagnetic radiation that is made up of photons.
Light.
Capital city of Nebraska that is named for the 16th president.
Lincoln.
Small beetle with a dome back and red and black spots.
Ladybug.
The yellow fruit used throughout the world for its juice.
Lemon.
Thomas Edison is widely credited for inventing this with electric light.
Light bulb.
Guitar-shaped instrument with a long neck and a pear-shaped body.
Lute.
Wife of Jacob who mothered the 12 sons that became the 12 tribes of Israel.
Lisa.
No. Composer of Hungarian Rhapsodies and namesake of the 19th century Mania. Time is up. With that one, you did very well in that round, going 8 for 10, and that takes your score to 345 after adding 80 points. Nice job, Plum. Up next is our team from Kiski Area High School. And Kiski, your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. Atomic number 3 has the symbol Li. Large social cats native to Africa and India.
Leopard.
No. A material made of the skin of an animal by tanning.
Leather.
Device that generates an intense beam of coherent monochromatic light.
Laser.
A rope with a noose at one end used in North America for catching cattle or horses.
Lead.
No. A sudden bright flash of light that is caused by rapid electrical discharges in the sky.
Lightning.
A large organ located in the upper abdomen cleanses the blood and aids in digestion.
Liver.
Controversial novel written by Russian-American novelist Vladimir Nabokov.
Pass.
Mother of Artemis and Apollo in Greek mythology.
Hera.
No. English thinker who proposed the idea. And time is up. The judges jumped in my ear. They are going to accept leopard because that is a large social cat also found in Africa. So we are going to accept that answer. So that means you got 6 correct in that round, adding 60 points to your score and taking you up to 235. Very nice job, Kiski Area High School. Up next is our team from Shaler, still going with the theme, starts with the letter L, and your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. Magma produced when volcanoes erupt.
Lava.
A large marine crustacean with a cylindrical body and pincers.
Lobster.
Children's book written by Dr. Seuss. The main character speaks for the trees.
The Lorax.
A team game originally played by North American Indians.
Lacrosse.
A pair of organs in the chest that supply the body with oxygen.
Lungs.
A domesticated pack animal of the camel family found in the Andes.
Llamas.
A rigid bar on a pivot used to help lift a heavy load.
Lever.
Peas, soybeans, and peanuts are examples of these.
Lagoons.
Regnal name and number of the Frenchman nicknamed Sun King.
Louis the 14th.
Leader of the Protestant Reformation who wrote 95 Theses.
Luther.
And that's it. You just swept through that round, going 10 for 10, adding 100 points to your score, and that takes you to 405 on the day. Still perfect, Shaler Area High School. Very nicely done. We never like to slow it down after the Katie Quiz Speed round, so what we're going to do is jump right into math time. In this round, we have 2 math-based questions for each team. We award 20 points for a correct answer. There is a 20-point deduction for any incorrect answers or passes in this round. Up first is our team from Plum Senior High School. And Plum, here is your first question. Given the quadratic shown, how many real number solutions are there?
There's one. Well, if it's quadratic, then one.
One is correct. Very nicely done. This is the graph of a polynomial function. There is no absolute minimum or maximum. What is the domain?
Negative infinity to infinity. Negative infinity to infinity.
And beyond. Very nicely done. You got both correct, adding 40 points to your score, and that takes you to 385 on the day. Nice job, Plum Senior High School. Up next is our team from Kiski Area High School. And Kiski, here is your first math time question. Divide the polynomial shown.
(6x squared plus 2x).
That is correct. Very nicely done. What is the measure of angle U?
56.
56 degrees. You too swept through the math Katie quiz math time, and that takes you with your additional 40 points up to 275. Nice job, Kiski Area High School. All right, Shaler Area High School, you are up next. Here's your first math time question. Which angle is complementary to angle 1 in the image shown?
6.
6. We would have also accepted angle 3, but angle 6 is correct. Very nicely done. If a line has a slope of -2, what is the slope of a line that is perpendicular?
1/2.
1/2. You too have swept through math time, adding 40 points to your score, and still have a perfect 445 on the board. Very nicely done, Shaler Area High School. What we are going to do is we are going to take a quick break. When we come back, we have our final round where some huge points are up for grabs. It's a round we call more or less right after this.